Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you are all doing great. And yes, today I am at a very special place here in Bangalore. So let me go ahead and tell you how I came to this place. So basically, when I was in Chennai, I had a workshop, a place where I can take care of my bike, the Dominar, as you all know. And so when I came to Bangalore, it was very tough to find a place where I can give my bike. First of all, when you give your bike, you need the trust, and you need to have a complete place where everything you get. You don't need to run around for that part, this part. So it was very difficult to find that place. So that is when I checked with one of my friend. He suggested me one place here in Bangalore, and I did some research also, and that is how I came to this place called the Highlanders. Highlanders is one of the best bike garages, that motorcycle garages that you can get in Bangalore. Trust me guys, they do amazing things here, amazing services. They have enough of spare parts. They have everything in stock. So this is an all-in-one garage. Trust me guys, if you're looking for your bike to get serviced, I would suggest you to come and have a check at Highlanders. This is one of the best place that is there in Bangalore. So guys, that's my friend. I was waiting for him. So he bought his 650 here for a small service. So as soon as you come in, the security sanitizes the rider's hand, and he takes the temperature of the rider, and then the security, as soon as the bike comes in, the security sanitizes the place where all contacts would have come in, and that's it.
So the service, right?
This is a service. General service. You can get my oil change, disc brake,
Which engine oil you need?
engine oil, coolant.
Okay, which one you need? The module or anything?
Motor is okay for me. Okay. And this clean this brake pad cleaning.
Okay.
Basically general service.
That all comes under the service, okay? Okay. Just scan that QR code for the online job card.
Okay.
So guys, once you bring your vehicle for service, what you need to be, what service needs to be done, you can come here, scan the QR code. Once that is done, the person will take the bike inside, and this is our boy Nandu. He takes the bikes inside. So guys, this is the Highlander cockpit. This is how it looks inside. It looks gorgeous. Trust me, I have not seen such a wonderful garage anywhere. This is awesome. So you can see that this is a power bank charger. You can go ahead and scan. You can get if your phone needs to get charged, you can go ahead and take this and get it charged. There's some minimum fee for this. It's a good concept. And you can see that my bike, it's stripped down here. There's a small work going on. I'll tell you guys later about it. There's a Triumph 675 Daytona, and after that the Ninja 650, then another Dominar, and we have our boy here, Mr. Arun. He's one of the best mechanics over here. Trust me guys, he does a very fabulous work. I'll tell you more about him later. This is the garage that they have. So all sorts of bikes are here guys. It's not limited to any super bikes or nothing like that. So this is the service center. This is where they go ahead and clean stuffs. This is the place where they check, fix bikes. So basically they do all sort of works here, and trust me guys, again I'm saying, they do a fabulous job. And this is the spare parts. They have all the spare parts here, and even on top. So guys, this is Mr. Karthik. He's the one of the senior persons over here. Here he and Arun, Mr. Arun, who you saw, they both take care of the bikes here in a very proper way. I'll show you more videos about it. Karthik bhai, inge busy irukka na? பிஸியாக இருக்கேண்ணா
கொஞ்சம்
பிஸியாக இருக்கேன். சரி, நம்ம பைக் என்ன ஆச்சு, ரெடி ஆகுதா என்ன?
பண்ணுறேன், எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் ஒர்க் இருக்குது, இப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறேன்.
அப்படியா? சூப்பர் சூப்பர் சூப்பர். ஓகே கைஸ், ஸோ மை பைக் இஸ், ஐ டோல்ட் யூ திஸ் இஸ் ஸ்மால் ஒர்க் கோயிங் ஆன். ஐ லெட் யூ நோ கைஸ் இன் த நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ. ஸோ ദിസ് ഇസ് ആസ് ഐ സെഡ് അരുൺ ഭായ്. അരുൺ ഭായ്, എന്തുണ്ട് വിശേഷം?
വിശേഷം തോന്നുന്നു.
പിന്നെ അരുൺ ഭായ് ഒന്ന് പറ, ആൾക്കാർ ഫാൻസൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് കാണട്ടെ. അരുൺ ഭായ് ഒക്കെ ഹൈലാൻഡറിൻ്റെ ഒരു വലിയൊരു മനുഷ്യനല്ലേ.
കൊറോണ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് അയക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. സേഫ്റ്റി ഫസ്റ്റ്.
സേഫ്റ്റി ഫസ്റ്റ്. അരുൺ ഭായ്, നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട് എത്ര നാളാണ്?
ഞാൻ ടോട്ടൽ ബാംഗ്ലൂർ വന്നിട്ട് 10 വർഷമായി. ഇവിടെ ഹൈലാൻഡിൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത് 2 ഇയേഴ്സ് ആയി. KTM, ബജാജ്, കവാസാക്കി, സൂപ്പർ ബൈക്സ് എല്ലാം.
അരുൺ ഭായ് കയ്യിലിരിക്കുന്ന ഏത് വണ്ടി ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ള?
ഇപ്പോൾ വണ്ടി 390 ഉണ്ട്, ഒരു ഫയർ ബ്ലേഡ് ഉണ്ട്.
മക്കളെ നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടുവേണം, വലിയൊരു പുള്ളിയത്, നമ്മൾ വിചാരിക്കുന്നതൊട്ടൊന്നും അല്ല. നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടു കാണുമല്ലോ അരുൺ ഭായ്. നമ്മൾ നന്ദി ഹിൽസിൽ ഒരു റൈഡ് പോയില്ലേ, നിങ്ങൾ അരുൺ ഭായ് കണ്ടു കാണും. അരുൺ ഭായ് ആയിരുന്നു അതിനകത്ത് ഒരു വലിയ പുള്ളി. പിന്നെ ഇത് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു അടുത്ത ഹീറോ ആണ്, ഷോയബ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ആൾ. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ അതിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ കണ്ടു കാണും. ഷോയബ് അന്ന് നമ്മൾ നന്ദി ഹിൽസിൽ പോയപ്പം കണ്ട വണ്ടിയാണിതോ. ഇതാണ് ഈ വണ്ടിയുടെ ഓണറാണ് മിസ്റ്റർ ഷോയബ്. മിസ്റ്റർ ഷോയബ്, എന്തുണ്ട് വിശേഷം?
സുഖം.
ഷോയബിൻ്റെ ഒരു പേടി, ഉണ്ടോ? ഷോയബ്, വണ്ടി ഒന്ന് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യും. ഇപ്പോൾ ആൾക്കാരൊക്കെ വണ്ടിയുടെ ശബ്ദമൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് കേൾക്കട്ടെ. ഒത്തിരി അരപ്പിക്കണ്ട, ആൾക്കാരൊക്കെ ഇറങ്ങി അടിക്കില്ലേ. നന്ദുവിൻ്റെ ഞാൻ ഇൻസ്റ്റഗ്രാം ഞാൻ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിലിടാം. നിങ്ങൾ നന്ദുവിൻ്റെ ഇത് കണ്ടില്ലായിരുന്നോ? സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് നന്ദൂസ് ബൈക്ക്. സോ യു ക്യാൻ സീ, ഹാവ് യു സീൻ എനി 250 like this? Trust me, I have not. Look at the brakes. I'll talk more about it. Okay, this has a dual front brake, ABS. So I'll show you more about this in the next video. Once you bring your bike over here, you have a place where you can go on top and relax yourself. So I'll take you over there. So here you get all the helmets and other accessories that you would require. So this is the place. So they have everything from GoPro to riding gears, all the accessories they have. You can see that there's a Harley Davidson over here, there's a Fireblade over here, CBR 250 over there. They have everything here. So basically that's what I said, you come to this place, it's a one-stop place where you will get every single thing for your bike and for yourself. Okay, this is the place where our 2 big YouTubers come in, that is Strel and Blue Biker. So they come here to get their vehicle serviced. This is the place. Hey guys, so you know my friend here, Mr. Jittu. So you know he has been in our vlogs previously. He's the one with his Ninja 650R. So today he's going to give his feedback about Highlanders. He has been here for quite a long time. He used to give his bike for service in Highlanders. So he's going to give his honest review about it. So Jittu, why don't you share your feedback about Highlanders?
Hi Ronnie, and hi YouTube. So if you ask about service about Highlander, see again I was also in search for one of the good place to get my bike service, and see any bike, if it's a normal 100cc bike or a big bike 650cc bike, I think the you have to have a proper service center or proper guy to take care of bike, because bike is most of us, all the biking brotherhood, bike is all in all for us, right? So I don't want any who to touch my bike or take care of my bike. So one of my friend, so he also recommended this area. So I was asking him when I got my 650. So I asked him, is there a good place to get my bike serviced? And Kawasaki is a long way away from our place. So he told me there's a place called Highlander, and this friend of mine. He's a literal biker. He's a really hardcore biker. So I believe him. So I took it here, and till now the service, everything is wonderful. The customer service is wonderful. And the best part is, it is an all-in-one place. You can get your bike serviced. Everything is available. So you don't have to go to get your spares or whatever it is. Everything is available. Even Kawasaki, even Triumph. A lot of my friends have Triumph, Daytona, everything. Even Ducati, everything. Every other parts is available. That is one of the main things that helped me to stick to this place. And other most thing is this Kawasaki showroom. This is the only service center that you get Kawasaki parts. Nowhere in India. This area. So if you want to service your bike, you can come sit here, read some books or something. And there's a good accessory section also here, so that everything all in all, that is what you look in a service center, right? And the customer service is mind-boggling, and the way they do their bikes, really good. I mean, first class, I could say. So I mean, anyone who is looking for a decent, has a very good place and a decent place to get their bike service. That's why I told you also, and this would be really good.
So this is Mr. Nandu. He's my close friend. So he's going to give us a brief update of what is available here at the showroom, what all accessories is there. So I'll give it straight to him. Nandu, here you go.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
We have the helmets over here and riding gear also. Like in helmets, we have the Bilmolas, lasers, and fly helmets is there.
Okay.
Both off-roader and adventure types, everything is there.
Okay.
Just come to the gloves section. I'll show you. These all are the racers one with the D3 protection levels.
Okay.
All brand is from the France only.
Okay.
And we also have the track-oriented gloves also.
Okay.
This is the Taichi's one.
Okay.
This is completely pure kangaroo leathers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This one cost is around 16,000.
16,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's come to the boot sections.
Okay.
This is the track version.
Uh-huh.
This is the adventure one.
Okay.
And this is the touring one, the half section.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Then let's come to the jacket section. In jacket we have the Furigen, Shima, Taichi, and Rhinox is there, and BBG is also there.
Okay.
The BBG is the entry level one, and one more model is there. We have that's the ride-on one.
Right on.
Yeah. All I have the level 2 protection level.
So, Nandumai, നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ പ്രീമിയം ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് എന്തൊക്കെയുള്ള ഹെൽമെറ്റ്സ്?
Okay. Fly helmets ഉണ്ട്, പിന്നെ ബിൽമോളാസ് ഉണ്ട്. പ്രീമിയം ആ ഒരു സെക്ഷൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഫ്ലൈ ആണ്. ഫ്ലൈ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ സ്നെൽ സർട്ടിഫൈഡ് ആണ് വരുന്നത്. AGV ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, പക്ഷേ സ്റ്റോക്ക് ഔട്ടായി. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ ആയത് കാരണം കുറച്ച് അവൈലബിലിറ്റി ഇഷ്യൂ ആണ്.
പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ കിട്ടും.
പിന്നെ നമുക്ക് സാഡൽ ബാഗ് അതുപോലത്തെ അതിൽ ഐറ്റംസിലോട്ട് വരാം. ഇതെല്ലാം സാഡൽ ബാഗ്, സാഡൽ സെക്ഷൻസ് ആണ്. ഇത് കാർബണോഡോ മൾട്ടിപർപ്പസ് ബാഗാണ്.
ഓക്കെ.
യു ക്യാൻ യൂസ് ഇറ്റ് ഫോർ ടൂറിങ്.
ഓക്കെ.
ഡെയിലി യൂസ് ഓൾസോ.
Hi guys, so this is Karthik. He's one of, as I said, he's one of the senior technicians over here. நம்ம ஆள் தான் கார்த்திக். கார்த்திக் பாய், நீங்கள் இங்கே வந்திருக்கு எவ்வளோ நாள் வந்திருக்கு? இங்கே
2 years ஆச்சு. நியரஸ்ட் 2 years.
ஹைலாண்டரில்.
ஆமாம், நியரஸ்ட் 2 years.
ஊர் எங்கே இருக்குது கார்த்திக் பாய்?
தமிழ்நாடு, திருவண்ணாமலை.
ஓகே, சூப்பர் சூப்பர். நீங்கள் என்ன வண்டி எல்லாம் பண்ணுவாங்க
இங்கே? அபவுட் 250cc எல்லாமே பண்ணுவோம். அப் டு 1000cc வரலையுமே சூப்பர் பைக்ஸ் எல்லாமே பண்ணுவோம்.
சூப்பர் பைக்ஸ்
எல்லாமே பண்ணுவோம்.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. தேங்க்யூ கார்த்திக் பாய், தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
But I don't feel I have one. I wanna forget you, but only time will heal. Too late to erase the bad we